Why does society's idea of who you are supposed to be matter so much? And who is society anyway? Society is just a group of people who have come together and made the decision to live and govern themselves within a centralized community. They're just a bunch of other people whose opinions are not more important than your own. Now, if it's become your habit to constantly judge and compare yourself based on outside expectations, whether it's about your grades, your clothes, your friends, your family, whatever it might be, I invite you to trade this self-judgment for curiosity instead. Ask yourself a question like, why am I measuring myself according to these expectations of society? We measure because we want to keep track of where we are on the path to becoming more of something or less of something else, but there's always going to be more things that we can do to become better versions of ourselves. And in order to grow from a place of wholeness and peace, we need to learn how to accept ourselves exactly as we are.